everyone, I'm so glad you're here today. We're going to be working on pumpkin nail art. This is more like an abstract pumpkin nail art kind of design, and it is a lot of fun. So taking your gel play orange and your gel play white, you can use titanium white or linette white. We're going to make a peach color. I'm using the Magpie Illustrator, which is fantastic for moving large amounts of gel at a time. And I'm going to apply a thin layer of our peach color in the shape of a pumpkin. The goal is definitely to apply the art gel in a very thin layer so that you don't have crazy bumpy nails at the end that you have to try to smooth out with top coat. You can put in as many pumpkins as you want, depending on the nail sizes, depending on how many you'll fit. On this design, I am putting in 3 large ones, and then I decided it looked a little bare, so I threw in some baby ones as well. Once you have all of your pumpkins exactly where you want them, then you will give this a full 30-second cure. The next part of our design, we want to be able to have dimension and depth to the color of our pumpkins. So I'm starting with a little bit of yellow, and I'm just putting a very sheer wash of yellow over the pumpkins with my Illustrator brush. Once I'm happy with the look of that, I'm going to cure that for 10 seconds. And then I'm going to go through and do the same thing with orange. Once I have the orange looking how I want it to, then I will give it a full 30-second cure. It's going to look a little bit odd, but just trust the process and keep going. If at any time you feel like, whoa, I have applied way too much gel play, don't worry, just squish the gel out of the bristles of your brush and now go back through and shear out that color. Once that is fully cured, we are going to make a mixture of orange and black, and these are what we are going to put our little pumpkin lines on with. If you add too much black, you're going to end up making way too much art gel, which I do all too often. So going in with our detailer brush, you are just going to add the pumpkin lines. Again, this is more of an abstract type of design, so these do not have to be perfect. They do not have to go from the top all the way to the bottom. It's kind of whimsical and fun. Once you're happy with your lines, give that a full 30-second cure. And now I'm going to go in with Gel Plate Glistening Gold, which is a gorgeous paintable metallic. And I'm going to highlight these pumpkin lines. Not every line is going to get some, and you'll see that sometimes almost no product comes off, and that's okay. At least there's a metallic element, which I think that most nail art really benefits from having a metallic element. Once we have everything where we like it, we're going to give this a 10-second cure, and then we will work on the stems. So using a green gel plate and a black gel plate, we're going to make a very dark green, which will make our stems. And then our final step will be highlighting this adorable design. Once you are happy with those cute stems, you can give that a full 30-second cure. And now we are at the end, which means we need to highlight all of these elements. Our first highlight is going to be a mixture of white and green so that we can really pump out those cute stems. And then we're going to go in with white and we're going to add some highlight lines to our pumpkins. You will need to give this a full 30-second cure. Then you can go in with your favorite top coat like Akzentz Shine On and give that a full cure. And you have completed this adorable design. All of these products are available at polishedpinkiespro.com, or if you're close to Clearfield, Utah, you can definitely come in and shop during our regular business hours. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@polishedpinkiespro.com.